Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Domenico and today we're going to be discussing what an ex-dividend date is and what it means when a stock is trading ex-dividend. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, don't forget to leave a like down below and let's get right into it. So the ex-dividend date is when the dividend that's going to be paid out by the share is actually deducted from the initial share price. So I'll give you an example. So if a company is trading at $10 and they're planning on paying a $1 dividend per share in the next week and the ex-dividend date is tomorrow, that means that tomorrow, instead of opening at $10, it's going to automatically open $1 less because the dividend being paid out is $1. So instead of opening at $10, it's going to be opening at $9. That's what happens on the ex-dividend date. Now I'm going to be explaining to you why this actually happens. So this is basically done to eliminate the incidence of people just buying stocks for their dividends, because the dividends are always taken out of the stock, so in the end you don't make anything. So this is basically a way for the market to control who the dividends are paid out to. It basically removes the practice of buying stocks just for their dividends and then selling them right away, because the dividends are actually removed from the share price. So by having the stock trade ex-dividend and the dividend being removed from the share price, investors that just buy the stock for the dividend and then sell it wouldn't have made any profit. So to receive a dividend that a stock is paying out, you have to have had bought the stock on the day prior to the ex-dividend date or before. So for example, if tomorrow is the ex-dividend date, you have to buy it today or before, because if you buy it tomorrow or after, you will not receive the dividend because the dividend will already be deducted from the share price, and this means that you won't be getting the dividend. The person that is selling it to you will be getting it instead. So I hope this quick video helped you understand what an ex-dividend date is and how it works. If it did, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel for more stock market videos like this in the future, and click that notification bell so YouTube notifies you when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.